my god. Is this a severe storm or something else? We've got images of Central Park. Welcome to New York City, your next destination. Get it! Show! Fuck yeah! Yeah! We got the outline of the person, sir. What should we do now? Roger back. I think I found something on my radar. Dun, 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 dun. Did you see anything? Yes, well, I saw a gigantic hurricane on my radar, and I was like, what? Is the end near? And I was like, oh my god, this is terrifying. Is something going on? Then I realized, oh my gosh, a giant hurricane that could end the world. We have found out that there's a gigantic hurricane on the earth right now. Evacuate from the side where it is right now. See you now. Oh my god, it's so windy, man. What am I supposed to do? It's so crazy. I can't believe what's going on in my eyes. Is this a giant hurricane or what? It's so windy, man! Oh my god, I can't believe this, man. How can you do this? How can you see this? How can you do anything about it? It's so crazy! Oh my god, it's so crazy! It's so crazy! Damn it, man. Bitch, I fucking thought I got the gangsta feel, man. Until that fucking hurricane come up in my spot. I can't believe that this happened to me. I can't believe this shit. How would I ever see this shit? Dad! Help! 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 Help, please! Help! Help! Oh my god! Oh my god! Help me! It's done! It's done! Damn! Wait, holy god! Look at that roof, man! Look at that roof! Is it gonna get teared off or something? Oh my god! Oh my god! What's gonna happen now, man? Oh my god! This feels so weird, man. I can't believe I'm in this thing. I'm never gonna be able to be in there and never feel like home. This is never gonna feel like home. This hurricane is blowing my ass off. I don't know what to do now. Oh my god! It's so weird in my house. Why am I buying these steps right now? This hurricane is so crazy. Why am I doing this? Oh my god, this is oh my god, there's so much wind. Did you see that car in the street during a hurricane? That's kind of weird. Okay, well, oh my god, this stuff is going everywhere, man. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Wow, what was that thing over there? Damn, this feels so great, man. Oh my god, what happened to that? Oh my god, this is decimated, man. This is decimating. Why did this have to happen to me? This stuff sucks compared to anything I've seen. I could have said nothing to ya. If you didn't see anything, I could have said nothing to ya. You know, I never felt like being in this hurricane ever, but then it just totally made me go into this hurricane. Help me, please. My roof is kind of getting torn off already, man. Damn, seeing this from the helicopter doesn't make me feel right. It feels kind of terrifying to see this. Why does this exist? Oh my god, the houses are so destroyed. How are we supposed to do this? How are we supposed to live? No! My New York City! I'll be living in the Brooklyn. You don't feel the Brooklyn coming up from that now? That means you kinda suck at this. This stuff sucks. Oh my god, driving past these destroyed houses doesn't make me feel good. Why does this have to happen, man? Why do I see this and it's just so destroyed? This helicopter helps me do anything in this world. If you don't believe that, wow, that means you're kind of weird because this is so crazy. I can see every damage, every piece of damage in the world. How would you not see this crap? This stuff kind of weird, but whoa! Oh!
Yeah, yeah.